During the final excavation on Oak Island, researchers made a dreadful discovery that will alter everything we thought we knew about the enigmatic past of the island. Prepare to uncover the Oak Island mystery that has captivated treasure hunters for centuries. Let's immediately begin the video. Oak Island has been the site of numerous intriguing discoveries over the years, including fragments of ancient parchment, chunks of rusty iron, and even a stone with intricate engravings. However, we now have some mind-blowing updates regarding the horrifying discovery made during excavation on Oak Island. Join us as we explore the mysteries of Oak Island and unearth the truth about this extraordinary discovery. As soon as the television program The Curse of Oak Island made a horrifying discovery at the bottom of the money pit, the situation rapidly deteriorated. The Oak Island personnel closely monitored the B4C shaft excavation in the money pit region. As the crew approached a depth of approximately 90 feet, they detected abundant traces of silver and gold. The team's astounding discovery sparked intense speculation that they may have discovered the approximate location of the mysterious money pit or stumbled upon a network of tunnels that could lead to a hidden treasure chamber. Despite reaching the most thrilling phase of the excavation, the team remained resolute and unyielding, refusing to give up until the objective was reached. The team's confidence increased when they discovered a 90-foot deep tunnel, which they interpreted as a sign that they were coming closer to the original money pit. They were unfazed by the arduous voyage they had undertaken thus far, fueled by their unwavering conviction that their dogged pursuit was bringing them closer to discovering the legendary secrets concealed deep within the mysterious money pit. The frightful discovery at Oak Island during the final excavation has been an exciting journey for those who appreciate witnessing the uncovering of historical artifacts. The team had been anxiously awaiting progress in the excavation of the money pit region in hopes of discovering the elusive treasure that has fascinated generations. Every time they dug, they awaited the next scoop or grasp with bated breath, hoping it would be the breakthrough they had been seeking. As they dug deeper, the team discovered scattered fragments of wood that formed a crucial historical puzzle. Among the dispersed remains, they found a large and impressive iron object that appeared to be from a bygone era, perhaps as far back as the 1700s. This fortunate discovery provided a glimmer of optimism, indicating that they were moving closer to their ultimate objective, the legendary money pit. However, their journey to unveil the mysteries concealed beneath the surface of the earth took an unexpected turn. At the approximate 130-foot depth of the B4C shaft, just as they were gaining momentum, they were confronted with a shocking discovery: a formidable bedrock formation impeding their progress. This geological impediment sent shockwaves through the team, halting their progress and plunging them into a domain of uncertainty. The team's efforts uncovered evidence of a concealed treasure, and despite encountering obstacles, they dug 5 enormous shafts over the course of several months, discovering indications of its existence. As they were on the verge of disclosing a long-held secret, these discoveries inspired renewed optimism. However, pursuing the money pit has been an arduous and challenging endeavor for centuries. The quest has been fraught with obstacles that required unwavering resolve and originality. Motivated by the possibility of acquiring a priceless treasure that had eluded countless others, the team descended into the money pit in search of the enigmatic treasure. The crew began a difficult mission with the knowledge that obstacles lay ahead. They actively sought out new technologies and strategies to surmount the obstacles, pursuing the treasure with great determination and expecting that their efforts would pay off. However, their journey was not solely motivated by prosperity. Oak Island's search for the money pit had a deeper significance. The exploration was fueled by a desire to uncover the mysterious secrets that had captivated people for centuries. With each stage, the team delved deeper into Oak Island's complexities, driven by an insatiable desire to uncover its hidden truths. The team's unwavering dedication to unraveling Oak Island's mysteries was demonstrated by their unflinching pursuit. Their unyielding determination and tenacity accentuated the noble pursuit of knowledge and discovery, resulting in an enduring tale that will forever be associated with human curiosity. Oak Island has been an enigma for centuries, attracting the attention of treasure hunters, historians, and conspiracy theorists. With each new discovery made by the devoted exploration crew, the allure of the island has grown. Experts were astounded to discover a paved area in the wetland, a peculiar anomaly. In addition, they discovered a 500-year-old stone road, shedding light on the island's ancient history and heightening the mystery encircling its secrets. A mid-15th century rock drill was discovered in the B4C shaft, which was possibly the most astonishing discovery. This artifact has prompted speculation about the island's hidden history and valuable treasures. As Oak Island continues to disclose its secrets, the world eagerly anticipates additional discoveries and the chance to decipher its ancient mysteries. The Lahaina brothers and their devoted team embarked on an extraordinary voyage to uncover Oak Island's long-held secrets. Their efforts and breakthroughs brought them closer to the legendary treasure, increasing their confidence that it was within reach. One discovery, in particular, stood out among their recent findings. As they meticulously scrutinized the rock drill discovered in the B4C shaft, a profound realization occurred: this ostensibly unremarkable artifact had the potential to be crucial evidence leading them directly to the concealed treasure chamber buried beneath the ground. The crew made a remarkable discovery that sparked intense speculation. Through a network of tunnels, they believed they were near to discovering the elusive money pit or a hidden treasure chamber. Even though they were in the final phase of excavation, the crew remained determined to reach their goal. When they discovered a 90-foot deep tunnel, they believed it was a sign that they were approaching the original money pit. Unfazed by the difficulty of the voyage thus far, they proceeded with the unshakable conviction that they were getting closer to uncovering the mysteries of the money pit. Armed with newly acquired knowledge and an insatiable desire for answers, the Lahaina brothers and their companions prepared to delve even deeper, ready to confront the mysteries that awaited them. Each step drew them closer to uncovering the centuries-old secrets that had been concealed. Their determination was fueled by their unwavering pursuit of the treasure, which had captivated the minds of innumerable explorers before them. The group developed a novel strategy based on their previous findings. They decided to concentrate their efforts on investigating the mysterious stone-paved area in the swamp because they believed it would provide important clues as to the location of the treasure. Using advanced ground-penetrating radar technology, they scanned the surface of the swamp, revealing anomalies that may indicate the presence of concealed chambers or tunnels. The ground-penetrating radar surveys uncovered a remarkable discovery: a network of interconnected tunnels beneath the swamp. The crew realized that these tunnels might hold the key to unlocking Oak Island's final secrets. Filled with anticipation, they prepared to investigate these underground passages, knowing they were on the verge of a significant discovery. With specialized equipment and protective gear, the crew entered the recently unearthed tunnels with courage. The ambience inside was damp and unsettling, amplifying their feelings of excitement and danger. As they progressed deeper into the complex labyrinth, they discovered shards of tools, signs of human habitation, and cryptic symbols etched into the tunnel walls. Each step brought them closer to the long-awaited revelation. After years of arduous searching, the team uncovered a secret chamber concealed deep within the tunnels. As they cautiously opened the chamber door, they were dumbfounded by what they saw. They stood in awe as they encountered the ultimate prize they had tirelessly sought: the treasure that had evaded them for what seemed like an eternity suddenly materialized before their eyes. It was an awe-inspiring sight, a collection of dazzling jewels, each glistening in its own brilliant hue. Alongside them were artifacts that told tales of long-vanished civilizations. The containers were brimming with unfathomable riches, including gold and silver that glistened with unrivaled opulence. After years of effort, the Oak Island curse was ultimately resolved. Their perseverance and diligence paid off as they uncovered secrets that had been concealed for centuries. In that moment of triumph, they felt a mixture of pleasure and relief, knowing that their perseverance had led to the discovery of a lifetime. The discovery of the treasure on Oak Island was not only a triumph for the Lahaina brothers and their team but also a demonstration of human tenacity and the enduring appeal of adventure. A significant ship find alters everything. The 8th season of The Curse of Oak Island centers on the discovery of a significant ship that could completely change the course of the inquiry. The gang discovers a polished piece of wood that resembles a handrail, prompting them to surmise that it was once a section of a ship's railing attached to the surrounding stone road. This finding adds to the body of evidence suggesting that the wetland once served as an open seaport. However, a large object is impeding their efforts and keeping them from going any further. The gang remains unwavering in their resolve to explore the marsh and learn what lies beneath its surface despite this obstacle. Despite the fact that a significant ship finding has completely changed everything, one of the objects the crew discovers is a polished piece of wood that resembles a railing. They believe it to be a fragment of a ship's railing, attached to the surrounding stone path. This would serve as further evidence that the marsh formerly functioned as an open harbor. However, they encounter a large item that prohibits them from exploring further and learning more. The group refuses to stop searching until they uncover what is hidden there, certain that the swamp holds the knowledge they require. During the 8th season of The Curse of Oak Island, a significant shipwreck is discovered and made public. The group finds a relic that has the power to change the direction of their search, throwing everything into confusion. The find raises questions about the ship's history and purpose while also providing the team with new reasons for optimism and excitement. More motivated than ever, they continue their inquiry, searching for new clues that could ultimately unveil Oak Island's secrets. As the mystery deepens, a number of shipping logs are found by the brothers, providing proof that an armada of French soldiers reached Oak Island in 1746. The Duc d'Anville expedition, sent from France with the goal of retaking Louisbourg, may have been the source of the artifacts. One of the most thrilling metal detector discoveries on the show happened in the first season when Steve Zazzari discovered a Spanish 8th-denomination copper coin. The object was probably moved there at some point in the 17th century. During the second season of The Curse of Oak Island, metal detecting helped uncover more old coins. Gary Drayton found 2 Britannia coins from King Charles II's reign while walking along the shore. One was hidden beneath a layer of rocks, with the year 1771 carved into its surface. When the crew inspected one of the coins found that season in the episode titled The 90-Foot Stone, they discovered what appeared to be a cross symbol on one side of the coin. The show had an episode which highlighted one of the most significant treasures ever discovered on Oak Island. This particular find, made in 2022 or earlier, gave searchers the greatest degree of hope. However, a question arose: was it appropriate to utilize it in a financial institution? An episode from the 5th season of the show focused on one of the most remarkable archaeological discoveries of the series. Drayton and Rick Lagina found a solid lead cross at the seashore after bringing their metal detectors there. Upon analysis, experts determined that the artifact most likely originated in the 13th century. Further investigations established a potential link between Oak Island and the Knights Templar. In subsequent episodes, another of Drayton and Rick Lagina's discoveries was uncovered with a metal detector during the 6th season's opening episode. To search for hidden wealth, they ventured into a previously unexplored region of the island. Moving a large boulder and dragging it up from beneath the surface, they uncovered a well-preserved copper cartwheel 2-pence coin. Drayton, using his metal detector, focused on a signal, which Rick Lagina followed to unearth a jeweled brooch. The brooch was made of leaded glass, while the other parts of the jewelry were crafted from gold. This archaeological gem was discovered using ground-penetrating radar. Initially thought to be a crossbow bolt, an authority on antiquities later speculated that it might have been a javelin, a weapon used by the Romans more than 2,000 years ago. In the second episode of the 9th season, the team found a metal object that appeared to be the very thing they had been searching for since the beginning of the show. Upon further inspection, however, they realized that only a small fraction of the object was actually made of gold.